حلوا امور.
انا حليته بس ما بعته الحين.
واحد فقط اللي بعت لي الهوم وورك، صح؟
انا بعته امس.
انا بعته مثلا خلاص بريد.
انا ما عرفت شلون ارسل بالبريد، انا متعود ارسل من الاشعارات.
خلاص اوكي ماشي كويس. هنبدا النهارده اخر ليسون معانا في يونت 3. اوكي، اللي هو هيكون more about vectors. هندرس فيه vectors. اوكي، يبقى الليسون بتاعنا هيكون هنا يونت 3 او شابتر 3 last unit page 46 47. اوكي، page 46 47. more about vector. First, what's the difference between a scalar and a vector? What are differences between a scalar and a vector?
magnitude only. Magnitude only. Direction.
Scalar has magnitude only. Vector has magnitude and direction. Okay, يبقى احنا هنا هنشتغل على quantities that has magnitude and direction. طيب عايزين examples كده يا شباب على الفيكتورز. عايزين examples على الفيكتورز.
Vector velocity.
velocity. example على الفيكتورز. acceleration. أول حاجة vectors has magnitude and direction. Examples are vector displacement, velocity, acceleration، وكمان في حاجة مهمة جدا اللي هي مين؟ force. Scalar has magnitude only. Okay, examples. Scalar speed, distance, okay, time. Okay. This main difference between the scalars and vector. Okay. The distance scalar is. عندنا كمان energy. energy ممكن نعتبرها ايه؟ scalar. energy mass. طيب نبدأ نشوف كده لما نيجي نعمل represent للفيكتور. الفيكتور بنمثله بالشكل ده. For example, this vector called f. Value, say for example f1, and this is f2. Which is greater, f1 or f2? They are equal. Second question, f1 is f1 equal f2? f1 equal f2, this not true. Why? Because they have opposite direction. f1 equal f2 in magnitude. in magnitude. For example, if we said F1 equal 100 Newton, so F2 also 100 Newton. But the direction is different, okay? For example, we can say this plus 100 and this is minus 100, okay? Opposite direction. When we talk about vectors, don't forget vector has magnitude and direction. You have equal vector, they should be equal in magnitude and equal in direction. عشان نقول ان F1 equal F2 لازم يكون equal in magnitude and also equal direction. Okay. F1 equal F2 equal in magnitude and equal in direction. If you ask it, calculate the resultant force. This 100 Newton. This is 200 Newton. And this is 300 Newton. What is the resultant force in this example?
200 Newton. Newton.
minus 100.
Newton, right.
F net equal $200 towards east. Okay. If you wanted to calculate F net or resultant force or net force, suppose this is positive direction. Okay, towards right. So 300 plus 100 is positive. 300 plus 100. While 200 negative, minus 200. So F net will be 200 Newton. Okay, F net will be 200 Newton. This is called F net. This if force acts in same direction or in same axis, x-axis, y-axis, okay, we can say right, positive, negative toward this left. This is the coordinates. This is positive, while this direction is negative. If we move upward this force upward this opposite by positive, force acts downward this will be negative. Okay, this is the direction. Okay, if you have vectors like this is vector F1 and this is vector called F2. Calculate net force or resultant force. How to calculate resultant force? The resultant force here. Resultant force. You start from first vector to the end of second vector. Here. Okay. This F net. Take care. Vector. Vector. This part called tail, and this part called head. This of first vector. What about second vector? This part called